Well, I'm still on vacation. I'm not good at this waking up early thing. My co-pilot's been up for a while. The truck is ready to go. Pops is out there cutting his grass. So let's get the show on the road, yeah? Let's see. Look, he's already sitting in the truck waiting for me to leave, you know? You ready to go? You ready to go for a ride? Yeah? All right. So truck, trailer is ready. Everything's packed. I'll make it sound like we're on some crazy mission, but actually we're just gonna go get Jamie's 240 so we can bring it to Kiwi Performance and get wired up. Let's do it. Dig it. We made it. We're here. Pick up the beast. So, you ready to be a trucker?
Ready to haul some race car? So dusty.
So the plan is we're bringing this beast up to Kiwi Custom and Performance. Get Jay to check it out. Hopefully he's gonna get this car wired and fired real quick, because my buddy here is getting pretty anxious to burn some rubber.
Oh boy. Got a lot of sets.
That's true, you have a ton of tires.
Yeah, I can get more whenever too.
I gotta start collecting. You ever seen these 17s?
The rims you gave me are 15?
The 15, yeah.
That's true.
I
keep the 17s in the front and I just slam this.
That's 17A on the back?
Yeah. Where are those? Oh, right here. It's true. I think and I lowered it like an inch from last summer too, so it's gonna look different. This is what it's gonna look like now with your drip rims you gave me. Roughly.
So the spirit of my old 8.6 lives on. He's got the motor. He's got the
motor, got the wheels.
A bunch of other parts.
Sweet. Seats from your FD.
It's true, yeah. Everything's in the car. Maybe double check before.
Oh yeah, as well. It's the same line of the harness issues, but as well as the wiring. The rad fans need either into the car or into a separate switch, hardwired. So rad fans. That's one other part. You got the battery with the wire, harness. I don't need anything for the seats, any metal, nothing.
I don't think so. Yeah, maybe throw that in just in case.
While we're here,
you gonna help Diesel?
Yeah, this bucket needs to go. How custom are they at that shop?
Very.
Like welding custom?
Yeah.
Should I tell them to fix the floor pan while they're there? Under the pedals? Just
maybe,
the floor
but
pan?
they're gonna charge you.
Like,
So
I don't know, I guess if it's gonna be like really expensive, or maybe we'll just wait for
ask them when we get there. Alright, so we'll get this thing loaded up. It's time. I guess I should try to line up straighter, eh, with the...
Well, we could push it out of the garage onto flat.
Oh yeah? Okay.
And then you could just... Oh yeah, we got that. Fuck, with my buddy, I have to rock the shit out of it like 3 times. Smash your fingers. Clears. We're good.
Hey?
I'm a bit to this side, eh?
No, you're pretty close. You have a...
No, it's actually, you're right. It's right in the middle.
Just pull the cable over so it's like in the center.
Over that? Pull it over? Oh, okay, yeah.
Far to one side.
Yeah. I don't like it. For sure. It's gonna set off right there. Woo! I'm fucking hot now. Oh boy, I'm so warm.
Now I know why I had an electric winch on the other trailer.
Yeah, so you can be like, it's a hot one, that's for sure. you slam these bad boys?
Well, be careful when you pull the tailgate down.
So don't smash it.
It's loaded. It's hot like crazy out here. We're sweating buckets. Diesel's the only smart one, chilling in the garage on the nice cold floor. Hey, pal. You good boy. Smart. Next step, hit the road. Go down to Keyway. All right, we're on the road now. Look at that 240 in the back. Got my co-pilot. Waiting for the other co-pilot, Jamie. He's just in the store buying some drinks and stuff for the road. So next step is get this thing down the highway and drop it off at Kiwi. Diesel, move over.
Just static how the car is sitting, you have like 3/4 of an inch max clearance on the mud flaps.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like not even an inch clearance on the mud
Diesel,
flaps.
come on. Come over here. Move over.
Just a little bit of room.
Move over a bit. Come on.
Thank you.
Atta boy. We made it.
Oh boy.
We made it. We made it.
Diesel 240.
Yeah, we're not far. Everything went good. Truck pulled nice and smooth, slow and steady. Trailer was great. So now we're gonna pull into Kiwi and see what's up.
Yeah, buddy.
Thanks. Yeah.
Oh, is that an S13 right there? That's the FD?
Yeah, it's his car.
That's his car.
Yeah. Sick. Skyline.